Hello, and welcome to another update video about Filecoin. Filecoin is in the support area currently. Yeah, we currently see the current rally as a corrective rally only. It can take a different route. I mean, this sideways move that started end of last year with the low that was formed in November at around, what was it, $2 here, $2.30, $2.40. That sideways move that started at that point could also turn into a triangle. I have already added the trend lines to the chart. You see that, which represents basically, yeah, this kind of triangle shape. The prices, inability to really break out, sort of, you see lower highs, higher lows, but really to get a triangle pattern on the chart in a proper Elliott wave triangle, the market would need to do this. So basically this here and another higher low. If we do this and this, then we have our triangle and it could break down. Or it could be a B wave triangle, but we have absolutely not enough waves for that. I'm just in parallel watching for a triangle which might form here. It's just a bit too early to confirm it, but it just doesn't have the right look for this C wave to the upside. I can tell you that. Because what do we have on this chart? We have quite an aggressive A wave to the upside, which peaked in February 23. We have a very deep B wave, which is okay for a B wave. They can sometimes dip a lot. They can retrace nearly the entire advance in this A wave. And yeah, the C wave that's currently happening here, presumably a C wave. We're just tracking an ABC because from a corrective structure point of view, ABC structures are the most common ones. Yeah. And as you can see there, we had a wave 1, we had a wave 2. The wave 3 topped most recently in this target area that I defined in one of the last videos that was at $8.12. So it topped there, the third wave. Then the fourth wave looks like a sharp correction currently. Dipped into the support area there between $4.35 and $6.39. And now we see a bit of a reaction there to the 50% Fibonacci retracement. And now we just need to see if the price can really turn around, rally in a fifth wave, and break above the third wave high, which was, basically here at around $8.15, $8.20. And then the fifth wave could complete this C wave. And what would happen then? Well, to be honest, then we have potentially a wave 2 complete, which could mean a more substantial top. There are in reality several patterns that could play out here. I mean, it could even be, maybe this is forming a larger, this could be a larger A, B, C in an A wave instead of wave 2. Then we get another B down, but even then, this would be a more substantial top, and then the C wave could extend because the resistance area for this wave 2 is quite huge. Here, resistance is between $13.63 and $88.40. So we just need to watch, should we ever get into this region, and this chart looks so weak, but should we ever get into this resistance region, then these are the fib levels to watch. $13.63, $23.54, $40.63 next. There are, there's plenty of resistance in the way. The price itself hasn't really done much. Not very exciting, and it just at least, it could form a triangle, which would be super boring, but the chart is just weak. It retraced 99% of its value in the bear market. That is really a disaster. It really is. So what I don't see is a high likelihood for getting back to all-time high targets. I just don't see it. The market might, change, the structure might change. It might surprise and all that stuff. While I am very open to a more extended corrective rally, I just don't see it with a high likelihood that it's going to go to new all-time highs. A break below 435, by the way, which is the lower boundary line of this support area, that would make me look for a larger triangle, because then I would look for support in this region of the lower boundary line, and it could form a larger triangle, but certainly that doesn't mean it's bullish. So yeah, that's my update about Filecoin. Not really much to update. I think at the moment, if I want to summarize the parameters, it's the area here between 489 and 435 that is now really relevant for support. Really relevant for support. And then it needs to break above that $8.15 level to give us 5 waves up. Then next substantial top in place with a high likelihood. A more direct breakdown below 435 would be indicated by a head and shoulders pattern and could send us down to that trend line. And then I'm looking for a larger triangle. And then there are different options how this could unfold, right? Could be A wave here, a large B wave triangle, and then the C wave up. The thing is, why I'm looking for a triangle really is because it just doesn't have the right look for an ABC. It just, I don't know, it just doesn't add up. But we'll see how it develops. Certainly nothing clearly bullish. I don't see any reason to be long on this chart. There are other setups that are clearer, also that haven't retraced 99% in the bear market, because that's a sign of weakness. So yeah, I keep you updated. Nevertheless, I know a lot of people are interested in Filecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.